Hi everybody, this is day 4 of Phonics, Unit 9, Week 2. We are again working on that oi sound. So let's not forget that oi sound can be spelled with an OI or an OY. And we are going to practice reading these words today with our superpowers. So get those superpowers ready to go. I see that we have an OI in the middle of this word. It's a medial sound in the middle. And I see a SP blend at the beginning. So 2 taps on our heads. Sp, sp, sp. Superpowers up, ready, begin. Oil, spoil, oil, spoil. All right, over here, I see that OY on the end of the word. Remember, this is an ending spelling. Superpowers up, ready, begin. Oi, toy, oi, toy. I see an OI in the middle of the word. It's a medial sound. Superpowers up, ready, begin. Oil, boil, oil, boil. I see an OI in the middle of this one. I see an ending blend this time. Nt, nt, nt. Superpowers up, ready, begin. Point, 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 point. I see an OI in the middle with an ST ending blend. St, st, st. Superpowers up, ready, begin. Moist, 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 moist. All right, and I see another OI in the middle. It's a medial sound with an SP on our head. Sp, sp, sp. We're doing this one twice. How silly is that? Ready? Superpowers up, ready, begin. Sp, oil, spoil, sp, oil, spoil. And then I see an OY down here, superpowers up. It's an ending sound, ending blend spelling, or not ending blend, but an ending spelling. Ready? Superpowers up, ready, begin. Joy, 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 joy. And then our last word has that OI in the middle of the word. Superpowers up, ready, begin. Join, 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 join. And you notice from joy to join, because the oi sound was in the middle of the last word, because they were adding an N to the end, they had to change the OY to an OI, because remember that OY is an ending spelling. All right, everybody, let's move on to the next part. Get your Elkin boxes ready. If you need to pause the video to go get a copy of this, that's fine, or to set up your electronic copy. I did not put an electronic copy on the weekly schedule because what was happening is that everybody was changing my actual copy. So the electronic copy is in the Google Classroom because I can provide you with your own copy each. And then when you go in to do typing, you don't mess up my version of the copy. If you want to do it electronically, you'll have to go into the Google Classroom to get that form. If you want to just print it out, you can click on the weekly schedule right on that little picture icon, and it will print that out for you. Or if you want to just draw boxes on a piece of paper of your own, that is fine too. Do whatever works for you. All right, boys and girls, our first word is boy. The boy ran around the track. Boy. Superpowers up, ready, begin. Boy, 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 boy. How many taps and what's making each sound? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's check it out. Oi. Two sounds, so you have 2 boxes. The oi has to be together in 1 box. Tap yourself on the back if you got it. Moving on to number 2. Next one is coin. I found a coin on the sidewalk. Coin. Superpowers up. Ready, begin. Coin. 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 How many taps and what's making each sound? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's check it out. K, oi, n. 3 sounds, 3 boxes. The OI has to be together because they're making 1 sound. All right, tap yourself on the back. Next word, here we go. Next word is join. I want to join that club. Join. Superpowers up. Ready, begin. Join. Join. oin, join. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's check it out. J, oin, join. 3 sounds, 3 boxes, and the OI has to be together. All right, tap yourself on the back and next word. Next word is joy. I felt so much joy when I got that present. Joy. Superpowers up. Ready, begin. Joy, 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 joy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's check it out. Joy, joy. 2 sounds making, and so we have 2 boxes, and the OY has to be together. Tap yourself on the back if you got it. Next word. Next word is moist. We have to keep the soil moist so the plant will grow. Moist. Superpowers up. Ready, begin. Oist. Moist. Oist. Moist. All right, how many taps that time? What's making each sound? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's check it out. Oist. Moist. That ST has to have their own boxes because they're making their own sound, but that OI has to be together. All right, tap yourself on the back. Next word. Next word is point. Please make sure that you're pointing to the right answer. Point. Superpowers up. Ready, begin. Point. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's check it out. Point. Point. An ending blend there again. They need to have their own boxes, and the OI has to be together. Tap yourself on the back. Good job. And next word is spoil. Spoil. Don't leave the food out or it will spoil. Spoil. Superpowers up. Ready, begin. Oil. Spoil. Oil. Spoil. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Check it out. Oil. Now remember, even though that sounds like it's going L, it's not. It's O. So it's only one syllable for the whole thing. That OI has to be together. S and P are separate because they're separate sounds. Tap yourself on the back. And next word, this is our last regular spelling word. Toy. I got a new toy for my birthday. Toy. Superpowers up. Ready, begin. Toy. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's check it out. Toy. Toy. Again, that OY is on the end. All one sound, so it has to all be in the same box. All right, tap yourself on the back. All right, our last 2 words are high frequency words. And our high frequency, one of the high frequency words is buy. Remember, our superpowers and boxes can help us sometimes on these, but not always. So we have to remember those special things. Now, buy is the one where you're going to the store. I want to buy this toy. Buy. Superpowers up. Ready, begin. Buy. 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 How many taps and what are those special sounds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Let's check it out. I. Buy. Remember that that Y is making the I sound, and the U is silent. So it has to kind of stick together. It can't have its own box because it's not making a sound. Remember that special silent U. All right, tap yourself on the back. Last word, our last high frequency word is walk. I want to take a walk around the block. Walk. Superpowers up. Ready, begin. Walk. walk, walk, walk. All right, what is special about those sounds? How many sounds do you hear? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Let's check it out. W, a, k, walk. Remember that AL combination is making that ah sound. The L is silent, but he has to tag along with the A because this is the special part of the word. So that AL is making the ah sound. So give yourself a pat on the back if you got that one. That was the trickier one. All right, we are going to go down here now and exit out of this and make sure that we take a look at our weekly schedule. Remember that this is not an electronic copy anymore. You can print this document out, but you have to make sure that you are clicking on the outside of the box to print that out. And if you still want to learn how to use those videos, I'm leaving that up here. After you watch this video, you need to print out your word search and your word scramble and do those 2 pages, take pictures of them and upload them to the Google Classroom so that you can say that you are finished with your assignment for today. This is your extra credit coloring paper. I have posted it here. I've also posted it out on the Google Classroom, so you can get it in either place. All right, everybody, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next week with your phonics. Remember, tomorrow is your spelling test. All right, bye, everybody.